with respect to the manual, 4 points, and the analysis was perfect, spot on, and the summary was good. And what I would suggest on your area of improvement is maybe little more focus on the speech would have been helped, because the example which is said, the peripheral view, and he mentioned 2 examples. The ID card missing, Abhinaya finds it as one example, and Viji looks at him and she finds what happened to you. That is also related to that example. Maybe that focus on your recommendation would have been better. And the other recommendation was perfect, spot on, TMOD, setting up things.
Yeah.
And summary, that is also fabulous job. Overall, when it comes to evaluation today, all the 3 speakers did a fabulous job, and there were small improvements. Maybe when we sit there, we know that. And as I mentioned, Shasta, when he takes the evaluation session, he does that. Don't mention his audience perspective, it is my perspective. So when we come here, we miss out those points. And even summary, Sundaraman will be knowing what has to be done. But that comes with practice, and that practice, we do it on Toastmasters, and we reiterate by master evaluation. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Awesome master evaluation. Well, this is just 3 minutes of master evaluation, but we learned so much on how to make an evaluation more effective, and that's the best part about being in Meraki. Every minute we learn something here in Meraki. Thank you so much, Karthik. Now that we are running on time, we need 30 minutes at least for Moments of Truth. So what we'll do is we'll take the tag team reports offline, and we'll quickly move on to the Moments of Truth. We have 30 minutes for Aarti to conduct the Moments of Truth and vote. Sorry, all evaluators are qualified. Yeah, thank you so much, Krupa. Please vote for the best evaluator, and over to you, Toastmaster Aarti, for Moments of Truth.
Thank you so much. A very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
To make it quick and not waste any time, may all the Meraki members please stand up. So, Krupa, if you could join this team, please. And the people at the back, that's Karthik, Srini, Shankar, and probably Satish can join you. You will be one team. Here will be one team. Right? So please be seated. No, you please be with them. I'll have Satish and Satish. May the guests please stand up. So we have 8 guests. So can 3 of you join this team, please? And 3 there, or rather 2 there, and 3 join the team at the back, please.
Subhash, please.
3 of you all can. Okay, everyone will come back.
I think you have to take a chair. You can sit there.
So all of you have been given the copies of the Moments of the Truth, Moments of Truth. Meraki members have the previous. Yeah, can I get you? Thank you. All of you have the Moments of Truth. Meraki members have the copy of the previous Moments of Truth also, which has been circulated through WhatsApp. My recommendation is the team to my right, that's Vijay, Gopinath, Bala, you will focus on the first 2 points. That is first impression and membership orientation. Ram and team over here to my left will focus on fellowship, variety and communication, program planning and meeting organization. Whereas the last team, who is completely left without any Meraki members, I'll get them for you, will focus on membership strength and achievement recognition. Now what I want you all to focus on is, in these points, please first go back to the previous records and see whether we have implemented the recommended changes. Point number 1. If you have implemented, great. If not, we will look at why we have not implemented and how to implement it in the upcoming meetings as such. And 2, if there is any point which we have dropped, we have been already doing it, but this term we have not done it, then we will focus on those items. And one improvement area on what we can do better than what we have already done. Clear?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Thank you so much. We will have only 5 minutes for discussion, and then that is amongst your team, and then we'll have a common discussion. Thank you. So, Kripa, 5 minutes. You know, 5 minutes.
out into.
So we had the earlier
We can accommodate
one
that.
was 27 days time. 27 days time we had earlier months of course. We are given fellowship, variety and communication. We had three important areas, right? This is one of the areas where we are less. First one is more social events.
Guest completed warmly and introduced the officers and members.
And the second thing is improve club website address
And
and
same
page
time
address.
provided.
Third thing is arrange more combined events with other clubs. These are the three recommendations we had.
Some of the clubs will have a tag called guest,
What we have
and
recommended
then
and implemented.
second,
More social events.
If we have dropped it.
here I think we know.
So on the
What
cards.
can be done
So
to
last year
improve
we had
this?
also-
You mentioned about 30 or 30, how we support 30 or 32.
Just
Five minutes.
just a one time order.
Immediately
This is what is the outside is
We are planning one in the
Yes, invited to join.
Semolipunda, right?
Maybe they'll come to you
February, we are
again.
planning one in Semolipunda, that is one, and then one more beach resort meeting we are planning. We have not done anything.
That's exactly what we discussed.
We already started.
So we will take that.
But members
have
have
been
been in plan.
There is a
That's
discussion.
the first last name. So
It is in the plan.
usually meet this.
Second thing is include club
Can I
website
say three,
address
which
to
is
the
we
agenda.
sometimes
There are
put this
portion of
number.
your
Community or
I don't know what the rest of the five, always meet the standard.
okay. So you know
Yeah, they are not there. Meraki to club.
first time I'm
And the third thing is arrange meetings with other clubs. We had
usually I
we had with
first name
speak to lead is the recent one we had.
So we only can then normal
That was before the
Before we reach after.
just greeted warmly and introduced to officers and members. Guest session name tags provided. No name tags, but guest
you got it.
See,
convenient location.
zero paper most of the time. So we use zero paper.
Guests invited to address.
Usually we go for zero paper. Everything is through WhatsApp. If you see the voting
Guests invited to join the club.
through voting. Yeah.
First time you are.
What application CPDC submitted.
Have the team.
Progress chart, right, we take okay.
All those joining details.
No, I think first one is all.
டேட்டாவும் வந்து
தப்பா
எல்லாம் வாங்கலாம் பட் அதெல்லாம் வந்து நாட் அவைலபிள்னு போட்டுருக்காங்க.
just feedback not
It's there, it's there. You are a new member, new member.
அதான் இப்ப ரெண்டுமே சொன்னோம் நான்
The fellowship arranging communication.
There will be a formal communication from education program and recognition systems have been discussed with you.
Regularly scheduled.
WhatsApp
Learning needs are assessed. Speaking rules is fine.
Members participate in area district.
Member involved in all aspects of the club activities.
Encourage.
in the picture WhatsApp profile picture.
Newsletter website published and
Usually when the new
updated.
member
Always every week
do
update.
this learning assessment.
So we have an annual study that we have done.
They are accessing the members.
See the data. So they will always see there is a description there. And in the description link they can
No
reach.
expectation, it's there.
April or March.
Is it- I was
Asking member.
So usually this is
We are
done
doing
on
annual
the date they join the club.
And
But
it's
there is
from the
there is
stack.
a date the week before that.
Yeah, last in the fourth section, right, it is program planning and
That's what
meeting organization.
was supposed to do.
Last
Learning assessment level.
improvement was we want to say
What is
one
it?
annual
What is it?
what will get us for feedback
That's
It was not done for you. For assignment of mental was not done.
Restrictions in
Done for you.
Have it live data.
When was it?
Anytime,
Any
anybody can
specific
watch.
time?
not allowed by.
joining
Officials.
That's what you wanted. In a week before the next meeting, it needs to be done, right? But you guys, this is the second meeting you're coming. Not
Technically,
education programs are this is not yet over. So I think we can
So they should remove this part, how the
So this is a fortnight club, and I think the VP has enough time to come back and do it within the So by the next week you come. That's the first meeting as a
Last
board
time
member.
we said this was one of the, I think, to be
members should do that. It's now already open live.
So we take a
Facebook page.
Anything from the old.
example.
Probably
Give
you
a
should
book to
not
you.
So it is not about the old live. So the new part. New part.
Old part.
Almost all everybody goes live at
Proper
next
chat.
unless
If
you
you
go
need
to
people to speak
so that's why we are
because this is.
speakers to share it.
We have one more minute to complete discussions.
And that also required a lot of process.
I had been if I would know what an abstract is.
So we have to go
I
digital.
would have a mindset as to look for abstract. So
It's for the benefit of the students. You will get a better evaluation, you understand.
So we started surveying, probably you can show one, you can probably show the first. So we started to digitally survey.
But at least, Ram, we should say that.
That is how many attendance,
Then have a-
sorry, how many meetings you
Come
have?
on with the
Attendance,
evaluation.
Yeah.
how many speeches you gave, how many photos you took, all this. So today when asked you about
Are we ready?
The next one is the related to speech
all that
evaluation.
is.
Bring it forward. Recommendation of evaluation or master
Can we start discussing, please? Can I have your attention? Members and guests?
You want to present the first?
Start from the reverse order. The first scene you wanted to do.
He raised the mic.
Last time attendance.
Okay, with popular recommendation and demand, we'll start from points 5 and 6.
We are buying it.
They are not yet ready to start with.
It's a conflict. They are